Hello everyone, I'm Harsh, currently working with the Sarla Anil Modi School of Economics at NMIMS Mumbai. So in this video, I'll show you how to schedule a class through video conferencing in Microsoft Teams. So let's start. So here we are on the desktop application of Microsoft Teams. Now for scheduling a class or meeting, either you can go in the particular team for which you want to schedule a class or meeting, or use the calendar option, which is a generic way of scheduling a meeting for any team that you are part of. So I'll start with the option that is through calendar, and then I'll show you how to do the same from within a particular team. So I'll click on calendar. Now the merit in using the calendar for scheduling a meeting is that while scheduling the meeting, you can see other meetings which have been scheduled for the same team, and therefore you can avoid any overlaps. Now to schedule a meeting, click on new meeting on the top right corner. Here I'll add a title. So suppose I want to teach the logit models. So I'll type logit models in the description. I'll leave this attendees blank. Now I want to schedule the time of this meeting. So suppose tomorrow at 9:20 a.m. the meeting is scheduled. So I'll click this time, and as you can see, the times are only in intervals of 30 minutes. But you can always edit and change it. So suppose if it is 9:20, so I'll go to 9 a.m. and click here, delete this part, and I'll just type in 20 through my keyboard. So this is the start time and this is the end time. So again, I can type here 10:20 a.m. So the start and end time have been specified. Next, what I have to do, I have to add a channel. And here for adding a channel is basically adding the particular team for which the meeting has been scheduled. So I want to schedule the meeting of econometrics 2. So I'll click econometrics 2 and select general. Now, if I select general, this meeting notification will go to all the members of econometrics 2 team. Suppose if I have different channels or subgroups within econometrics 2, I can use this option to select a particular subgroup or channel within econometrics 2 for which I want to schedule the meeting. That would be visible within econometrics 2. If I had another channel, those channels would be visible along with general. And if you want to add any further details for this class, for example, any particular topic you want to discuss or readings that you want to give to the students before the start of the class can be added here. Finally, we click on send, and this meeting has been scheduled. So if you want to view if the meeting has been scheduled or not, I'll scroll up, and on 30th, we can see logit models, Harsh Sahai has been scheduled. Now I will show you the other option, that is going within the team and then scheduling the meeting from there. So I'll click on the Teams tab, then I'll enter the econometrics 2 team. You can see the Meet Now icon, which looks like a camcorder on the bottom. We click on this. Suppose if you want to start the class immediately, for example, logit models, and I click on Meet Now. So this meeting has started. For now, I'll end this meeting. So now I'll show you how to schedule a future meeting. Click on Meet Now, schedule a meeting, and you get a similar window with the only difference, and now the channel has already been added here. Again, we give the title, logit models, specify the time, suppose 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. and click on send. This meeting has also been scheduled, and the notification of the same would have gone to all the members of this team. Here what you can see is that I had scheduled a meeting from 9:20 a.m. to 10:20 a.m. from the calendar, and I have also scheduled a meeting from 9:30 a.m. So there is an overlap. If I go to the calendar and on 30th, So what we can see that two meetings have been scheduled for the same time, which could have been avoided if we had used the calendar method and not scheduling the meeting directly from the Teams. With this, we come to the end of the first part of this video, in which I showed you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. In the second part of this video, I'll show you how to join a meeting which has already been scheduled and some of the basic controls that we have during a meeting. That's all for this video, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.